So as we learn about that dinoflagellates is in last video. So now just here the third type related with the Protista, that is UG-NEETs. UG-NEETs. So they are link in plant and animals. Link in plant and animals. Okay, प्लांट आणि ॲनिमल मधली लिंक आहे युग्लिनाइड. कसे असतात युग्लिनाइड बघा. युग्लिनाइड्स आर फाउंड इन fresh stagnant water. What is the meaning of that stagnant water? Just here fresh म्हणजे या ठिकाणी शुद्ध जे पाणी आहे ते पाणी गोड्या पाण्यामध्ये. सो स्टॅग्नंट म्हणजे स्थिर असणारं पाणी, जे वाहत नाहीये, लक्षात घ्या. ओके, त्या स्थिर असणाऱ्या पाण्याला स्टॅग्नंट वॉटर म्हणलं जातं, म्हणजे साचलेलं पाणी. सो त्या ठिकाणी युग्लिनाइड असतात, फाउंड इन फ्रेश स्टॅग्नंट वॉटर. नंबर नेक्स्ट, that euglenoid lack true cell wall, but possess an outer flexible protein covering. Okay, so true cell wall but lack true cell wall but possess that an outer flexible protein covering called as outer protective covering called as pellicle. Okay, so this is another one important point. So found in fresh stagnant water, lacks cell wall but possess an outer flexible protein covering called as pellicle. Third one thing is that euglenoid so have two unequal flagella. For movement or locomotion. ओके, हालचालीसाठी या ठिकाणी दोन पण अनइक्वल असतात, एक लहान मोठे असणारे दोन फ्लॅजेला आहेत, हेअर लाईक स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत, वी कॉल देम ॲज अ फ्लॅजेला. सो अशा प्रकारे प्रेझेंट आहेत, त्यांना युग्लिनॉइड म्हणायचं. अजून एक सांगायचं झालं तर हे जे काही युग्लिनॉइड असतात, लक्षात घ्या. सो they are autotrophic, पण कधी if light present, जेव्हा लाईट असेल तेव्हा ऑटोट्रॉफिक असतात. अँड हेटेरोट्रॉफिक, हेटेरो म्हणजे डिफरंट, ट्रॉफिक मीन्स डिपेंड्स, कंज्युमर, वी जस्ट टेक इट ॲज नरिशमेंट साठी डिपेंड असतात दुसऱ्यावरती. ऑटोट्रॉफिक लाईट प्रेझेंट असेल तर, हेटेरोट्रॉफिक इफ लाईट absent. Okay, they are autotrophic and heterotrophic. Okay, so called as mixotrophic. मिक्झोट्रॉफ. ओके, काय म्हणायचं त्यांना? मिक्झोट्रॉफ असं म्हणायचं. ओके, सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड दॅट ऑल द थिंग्स युग्लिनॉइडशी रिलेटेड असणारा हा पॉइंट आहे, मिक्झोट्रॉफ म्हणायचं त्यांना. What about, we can say it as more detail about that euglenoid just here. That euglenoid which consists of a species called as Euglena viridis. ओके, युग्लेना विरिडिस नावाची स्पेसिस आहे याच्यामधला एक भाग. तर हे होतं या ठिकाणी युग्लिनॉइड बद्दल. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड दॅट ऑल द थिंग्स रिलेटेड विथ युग्लिना. नाउ सी हियर नंबर 4th टाइप्स, सेकंड लास्ट टाइप, स्लिम मोल्ड. स्लिम मोल्ड. They are fungi-like filamentous, and saprophytic. Their body फंजाय सारखे लांब लांब दोऱ्यासारखे असू शकतात किंवा सॅप्रोफायटिक आहेत, कधी कधी राउंडेड सुद्धा असू शकतात, मोल्डच्या फॉर्म मध्ये, पावडरिश फॉर्म मध्ये सुद्धा असतात. तर फंजाय लाईक फिलामेंटस ऑर सॅप्रोफायटिक. देअर बॉडी इज called plasmodium. Their body is called as plasmodium. Okay, हे प्लाझ्मोडियम कसं असतं? प्लाझ्मोडियम is multinucleated without cell wall. Plasmodium is multinucleated without cell wall. Cell wall नाही आणि multinucleated आहे प्लाझ्मोडियम. अजून स्लिम मोल्ड काय करतात लक्षात घ्या. प्रोड्यूसेस स्पोर and which are transferred along air current. आणि at favorable condition grow into new mold. ओके, या पद्धतीचा भाग असेल. ओके, सो दिस इज रिलेटेड विथ द स्लिम मोल्ड. जस्ट कीप इन माइंड दॅट आर द थिंग्स. सो व्हॉट अबाउट द स्लिम मोल्ड? स्लिम मोल्ड बद्दलचे हे मुद्दे होते, लक्षात घ्या. नंबर 5th आणि लास्ट टाइप, प्रोटोझोअन्स. ओके, प्रोटोझोअन्स जो प्रकार आहे, दे आर animal like or primitive members of animals. Animals चे primitive member असतात. They are primitive members of animals. Animals चे primitive member असतात. प्रोटोझोअन नावातच आहे. प्रोटो म्हणजे आधीचे, झोअन्स म्हणजे animals. प्रोटो म्हणजे ancient. Okay, and zoa means animal. Okay, zoa means animal. So protozoans are mainly heterotrophs, that is basically parasitic, असतात हेटेरोट्रॉफिक मध्ये. सो फर्दर त्याचे पुन्हा डिवायडेशन further classified into 4 types based on locomotory structure. Okay, based on locomotory structure, actually that protozoa which are classified into 4 types. So see here which are they. Number 1, that is nothing but the amoeboid protozoa. Amoeboid. Second one, that is nothing but flagellated protozoa. Number 3rd, ciliated protozoa. Number 5th and last, sporozoans. 4th and last, sporozoans. So these are the 4 different, we can say it as a types of protozoa. So based on their locomotory structure, they classified into 4 types. So which are the locomotory structure in each group, just here. So in case of amoeba, that is nothing but locomotory structure is pseudopodia. The word pod for the leg, that is foot-like appendages, which are false foot-like appendages is in amoeba, that is called as pseudopodia. So in next part, we will go into more detail about each and every thing about that amoeboid, flagellated, ciliated and sporozoan category. Flagellated have the flagella, locomotory structure, there is flagella. Ciliated, which having the cilia for the locomotion, and sporozoans, which having the spores for the locomotion. Okay, so these are the important types regarding to the protozoa. Just see here. So just here, what about the each and every subtype for the protozoans? That is protozoans. First one, that is nothing but amoeboid protozoans. Amoeboid protozoans. We all know that oid, OID, oid means like. oid या शब्दाचा अर्थ होतो like च्या सारखा. तर amoeboid protozoa amoeba सारखा असणारा प्रोटोझोआ आहे. नंबर नेक्स्ट, they have किंवा found in water and moist soil. Found in water and moist soil. Have pseudopodia for locomotion. Have pseudopodia for the locomotion. Pseudopodia is nothing but outgrowth of plasma membrane. Outgrowth of plasma membrane somewhat, that is said to be the pseudopodia. So amoeboid protozoans found in water and moist soil having pseudopodia for the locomotion. Amoeboid, that are protozoans which mainly pleomorphic, means they have not definite shape, no definite fix असा त्यांना आकार नाही आहे, no definite shape. Okay, that is said to be the pleomorphic. Number next, the best example of that amoeboid protozoan is nothing but the Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. The Entamoeba, that is said to be the amoeba in intestine. Intestine मधला जो amoeba आहे, that is said to be the Entamoeba. आणि हिस्टोलिटिका, हिस्टो म्हणजे टिश्यू आणि लायटिका म्हणजे ब्रेकिंग. काय करतो तो? हिस्टोलिटिका म्हणजे इंटेस्टाइन मधल्या टिश्यूला ब्रेक करण्याचं काम करतो. ओके, सो इंटेमा हिस्टोलिटिका विच रिलेटेड विथ द और विच कॉजेस द amoebic dysentery. Okay, leads to a disease called as amoebic dysentery. Just see that all the things. So second type number 2, flagellated protozoans. Which having the flagella. Okay, flagellated protozoans having flagella. So parasitic in animals have flagella for locomotion. Number next example is trypanosoma, causes sleeping sickness. This is the second one type. What about the flagellated protozoans? So third one type, that is nothing but amoeboid flagellated, then that is ciliated. Okay, ciliated, mainly parasitic but actively moving below. Number next have cilia, that is hairy appearance, hairy structure for locomotion. Okay, for locomotion have cilia. Okay, so just keep in mind ciliated protozoa. So also possess what? Also possess gullet to take food. Suppose this is the body and here that is nothing but the gullet. Okay, this is the gullet and here that is nothing but the cilia. Okay, all over the body. So this is a gullet to take the food. Okay, so keep in mind that all the things. And the best example that is ciliated protozoan is nothing but we can say it as a paramecium. We call it as a slipper animalcule. Okay, and number last that is nothing but the sporozoans. The last one that is nothing but the sporozoans. So parasitic spore producing. Spores are freely ट्रान्सफर. स्पोर हे फ्रीली ट्रान्सफर होऊ शकतात, लक्षात घ्या. ओके, स्पोर्स आर फ्रीली ट्रान्सफर अँड इन्फेक्शियस. स्पोर स्टेज काय असते? फ्रीली ट्रान्सफर होऊ शकतात आणि इन्फेक्शियस असते. स्पोर्स आर फ्रीली ट्रान्सफर अँड इन्फेक्शियस. सो नंबर नेक्स्ट, स्पोरोझोअन्स causes diseases somewhat like the Plasmodium vivax cause malaria. Plasmodium vivax cause malaria. Malarial parasite. Okay, this is the malarial parasite. Okay, so just see what about you can say it as all the 4 types of that protozoans. So ciliated, sporozoans, okay, etc. Just see that all the things for the kingdom Protista. Here we just finished that kingdom Protista. In next video we are going to move toward kingdom fungi in more detail point. Okay, so at first just write up.